Hello everyone and welcome to my food channel Asan Pakwan. Today the recipe that I'm going to share with you is called kimchi fried rice. Now this is a Korean rice which is a blend of rice with seasonal vegetables. So let's not delay and get started. So viewers, to make kimchi fried rice I'm going to use steamed or boiled rice, and the rice that is from a day before works really well for this dish. Now we don't tend to use a lot of vegetables in our dishes, but today I'm going to use carrots along with green peas and sweet corn. Now talking about the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to use some salt, and with the salt some garlic and also some dark soy sauce. And the star ingredient is kimchi along with some kimchi juice. And if you have missed the recipe of how to make kimchi, you can find the link in the description box. So to make the kimchi fried rice, here I have taken some oil in a heated pan. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add some crushed garlic to it. And I'm going to fry the garlic in the oil. And very soon you will see that the garlic will start changing its color. Now at this point, I will start adding the vegetables. So first I'm going to add the carrots, and after that green peas, and now I'm going to fry the vegetables in this oil. After frying these vegetables for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add the sweet corn to it. Now keep on mixing. Now soon you will see that the vegetables will start to change their color. Make sure that you don't overcook the vegetables here. Now here the vegetables have been cooking for at least 5 minutes. And at this point, I'm going to add kimchi. Here, so I'm taking at least 2 to 3 teaspoons full of kimchi. All the vegetables first. And it depends on your taste how spicy you want your dish to be. Now along with the vegetables, I'm adding kimchi juice to the vegetables. Now give it a good mix, stir everything well, and let it simmer for another couple of minutes. Now here I'm going to add some sweet paprika to give the dish a sweet taste, along with some salt. Now you have to be very careful with the salt because kimchi already contains salt. And I'm adding some black pepper, and here I'm mixing everything really well. Now let it cook for some time and then add the boiled rice to it. So here I'm going to add at least 2 to 3 cups of boiled rice to all the vegetables. Next, mix the vegetables and the rice together and make sure that the flame is not too high, otherwise the rice will start sticking to the pan. Mix everything really well. So after cooking the rice and the vegetables for at least 5 minutes, here I'm adding some dark soy sauce to the rice. So keep on mixing, otherwise the rice is going to stick to the pan, and we don't really want that. Mix it all really well. So our kimchi fried rice is ready, and here I'm going to dish out the rice now. Once the rice is in the dish, now it's time to garnish it. And for the garnish, first I'm going to use sesame seeds. And after sprinkling some sesame seed, I'm going to garnish it with some green onions. And the last thing is fried egg with the sunny side up. And here, our kimchi fried rice is ready now. So viewers, if you have liked my recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment, and until next time, bye.